What you're looking at here is the Young Scientist Collection books. Over on this side, I have a sample that I'm going to walk you through to give you some insight of what the materials look like and what's included. First of all, you can buy any Young Scientist book by itself. And then we have what's called the Independent Learning Package. When you receive it, it will be wrapped just like this. First thing I want to go over is just show you what the insides of the books look like. All Young Scientist Collection books are very illustrated with lots of white space, well-sized text, crisp, clear illustrations, lots of colors, very, very vibrant, as you can see. That's if you just get the book. If you intend to turn it into a study unit, for example, if you are an educator, you're a homeschool parent, teacher of any kind, a tutor, what have you, the Independent Learning Package can be a very valuable tool. And I'll show you why. The first part of that is what's called the Student Learning Guide. The Student Learning Guide provides a simple interface for the student to go through to read, do an activity, read, do an activity, read, do an activity, so on and so on, all the while corresponding with the book material. Some parents and educators choose to use this method, and some prefer to do it differently. I'll also note at many places in the Student Learning Guide, there is a teacher check-in. This could just as easily be called a parent check-in, a tutor check-in. This allows the opportunity for the student to stop to have some interaction with the educator or parent. That is the Student Learning Guide. We also include a science journal. We've heard great things about this specific paper-bound journal. Different types of graph paper, chart paper, and so forth are included in this booklet. Really stunning. Now to continue forward, inside the what we call teacher resources kit, could just as easily be called parent resources, tutor resources. There's a certificate of achievement. We hear wonderful stories about hanging on the wall, framing, putting in educational portfolios, all types of different uses, printed on a very nice stock. Then we have an exam and exam answers. Some parents, some tutors, some educators choose to use these and some don't. But if you do choose to use them, the answers are referenced to the location in the book, so it's very easy to follow, and it really gives an opportunity to have dialogue with the student or child. And here's an example of the exam. And here is a materials list that are recommended for use with the book. And each of the Young Scientist Collection materials Independent Learning Package includes one of these. This is also available on our website, so if you just wanted the book and you wanted the materials list, you can download that at no cost. As you can see on the page below, there are 11 Young Scientist Collection books, and a description of each book has been included, as well as a link to purchase the materials. Thank you for watching this brief video about the Young Scientist Collection.